Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am going to unbox one of the latest mystery kits from Diamond Art Club. This is the dark fantasy one. So they had 3 mystery kits released, and I can't help myself. I tend to always get the fantasy ones, but then this was dark fantasy, so I'm like, So we're gonna unbox it together. Now, this is a mystery kit, so if you don't want it spoiled for you, say you've bought the mystery kit yourself, please do not watch, because I am going to unbox and show you what's inside. Sometimes I can tell what they are, other times I have no clue what these things are. But that said, do not watch if you don't want it spoiled for you. Okay, so disclaimers are done. This is a square. Pretty much most of the, if not all, mystery kits are square. This is a 22 by 22, so not too scary in size. Let's see. Now the artist is Simona Candini, and I had looked at some of her other Diamond Art Club pieces, and so I recommend doing that if you're getting a mystery kit, just so that you're not like what's this artist style? So let's see what we got in our toolkit here. This is the newer toolkits. I always like to see if I get unique little cover minders. I got a broken cover minder, but okay. Let's check out. Ooh, I like that washi tape. That's a pretty one. My gosh, I'm getting so much washi tape, and I already have a bunch. So here's my cover minder, but I'm gonna have to glue it back on. Wow, it's like not even sticky where it fell off. But oh, it's like a little tree, little resin cover minder there. The magnets on these pop off a lot. They're not exactly like high-end or anything. Let's see, so I do have a clear tray, it looks like, and then the usual placers, and this time I got a pink one. You get pink, blue, green, and clear, or at least that's what I've gotten so far. And then tweezers. You always get tweezers with these square kits. And then as you keep buying kits, you're going to have so many tweezers, so many placers, and so many cover minders. Why am I opening it that way? Let's do it the easy way. Alright. Let's see. Let's grab our diamonds out first. Okay. Ooh. I always like to look at these first. So this is going to be dark. They were taking that dark fantasy literal. Look at how dark these colors are. Okay. Okay, so oh my gosh. Oh, that's a lot of black. Okay. So we got this wee little bag here. We got some 803. Very dark colors like grays. Look at these browns, but look how many black I have. Oh my gosh. And then we got some dark brown, quite a bit of that. Oh, check out this taupe color, so I'm definitely going to have some color blocking somewhere. Alright, let's see. We've got some smaller baggies. These are for those lovely confetti areas. Something tells me the background is going to have black in it. Oh my, I even have a bunch of 3371. Oh. Alright, and then we get onto our even smaller set. This must be where all the ABs are hiding. Oh my gosh, look how few are right there in these ones. We got a random one hanging out in there. There's such a tiny amount in these. Oh my gosh. So here's an AB 101. It's this nice blue color. Not very many though, considering the size of the canvas. 106, like this creamish color. This one might only have 2 ABs in it. Yeah, alright. Let's move those over. Ooh. Okay. Only 38 colors, so yeah, this isn't a very big canvas, but I'm not complaining. Sometimes those big canvases, especially as a mystery one. Ooh, we're landscape on this one. Okay, I can see a creepy girl right here. I see her face. I'm also seeing where a lot of the black is gonna go. Yep, all these dots are gonna be black. Whoa. Oh, I almost want to say that looks like a dollhouse. Like a little dollhouse. She's playing with a dollhouse. Yeah. On the last kit I opened, I couldn't tell what it was. So sometimes it's fun. Like, you still can't tell always what these things are. But I'm seeing like a little girl and a dollhouse for sure. I don't know what this is. Try to like look at them from afar, but yeah, like I see her arm there. I don't know, this is gonna be creepy. I'm very curious. So it looks like for the most part we have a lot of color blocking areas, quite a bit actually, even up in the dollhouse. And then we do have some confetti throughout here, but that's expected. And here's a little scary with confetti, I'm not gonna lie. That one's making me nervous. But for the most part, we got a lot of color blocking going on. So, and loads of black. I mean, look at all these dots. These are all like 310. So I'm kind of, it's just a wrinkle in the wrapping, but yeah. Definitely see a little girl with her dollhouse. But the great thing about this is, like, even when you open it and you're like, okay, I can kind of see what it is, you have no idea where all these colors are gonna go. I mean, I know the black for sure is in this background, and if you have those other colors where I had a ton of bags, that's just a give. But yeah, like, for sure it still comes to life as you're actually placing, you know, each diamond. So I'm very curious to see what this turns out. And this is a nice size canvas, 22 by 22. Like, this is doable. Most of the time the mystery kits are huge and you're just like, ah! Because that is one thing that gets me with the mystery kits is there's no color. Most of them are printed, you know, they have the color, and then you have your little symbols. This is just symbols. So you do get cross-eyed. You do. On one of them, I messed up the symbol. Had to go back and pull them all off. And I was like, oh. And they can be kind of frustrating and hard to complete. Plus, they are square. So that can get a little overwhelming. Let's see. Let me see if I can see any 1 and 2. I don't see any. Oh, I see like 1 and 2 in her eyes. I see some 2 over here. Those are the ABs. I was just seeing if there was, oh, I see some ABs up here. I'm just kind of curious where these ABs are going, because the AB bags are really small, so it's not, we get 2 ABs and it doesn't look like they're, oh, we got some 2s here being placed all over. We got 2 here. I'm not seeing a lot of 1s. They could just be blending. So yeah, I'm kind of curious. I do plan to start doing like post reviews of the mystery kits. I don't know if I'll do it of the other ones, just kind of depends. That way you guys can see what they look like. But the problem is with the mystery kits, these do not stay in stock for forever. And they do take me a while to do. There's a few other YouTubers that their channel is strictly diamond painting, so they often finish these way before I do. So you can always go check out their post reviews. But yeah, it just depends on what I'm feeling once I finish a diamond painting and when I'll start this one. But I'll still do a post review so you can see what it is. But just keep in mind, if you're waiting for a post review to buy it, it might be out of stock because the mystery kits go quick. They only make so many. They're not meant like the other kits to hang out and be something you can purchase because they want to keep releasing more mystery kits. All right, well, that is the Mystery Kit Dark Fantasy version by Simona Candini. If you got this kit, let me know. If you're already working on it, let me know. And yeah, just remember, if you do have this, you can share it on Instagram. Just like put spoiler or something like that. And then, of course, you're not supposed to put them in the Diamond Art Club Facebook group. They have a group specifically for the spoilers, so you can go over there. But always keep that in mind with the mysteries. And the mystery kits do come with like a mystery etiquette card, which I can't find right now, but they all come with it and explain what you can do. All right, everyone, thanks for hanging out with me, and until next time, take care. Bye now.